Hi Kitty, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a leaf, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a leaf shape here, a curve down, and outwards again. Now draw two round big eyes. Inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. With 3 lines. And the mouth. Now just following with me. Draw a line down. And the details. Now we have a cute leaf. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.